Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna. Thank you so much for tuning in. I have a short, small yarn haul today from Premier Yarn, and I want to show it to you today. Premier Yarn, this is the bag that it came in, and we're just going to go, I think I got a total of 5 things of yarn. This is my first time ordering from Premier Yarns, and they gave me a 15% discount for it being my first order. The total order came to $58 and some change. I think that includes tax and shipping, I think. I'm almost positive. I know it is. And then the 15% discount, everything came to $48. Their website said that if you spend at least $75, then there's free shipping. So maybe next time that's what I'll do. Again, this is my first time ordering from them, so I just kind of wanted to test things out. The first yarn that I have is called the Premier Rustic, and it is called Spice. This is the color. It's very nice, very earth tone, but very, very nice. The yarn was $6.99 a skein. $6.99 a skein. This is bulky 5. It requires L hook, crochet hook, and the yardage is 218 yards. 100% acrylic is 7 ounces. And again, this is, the color is Spice. Okay. Now, what I purchased this yarn for is for the bralettes. If you have been watching my videos, you know that I've been crocheting quite a bit of bralettes, and they do require a bulky weight of 5. So I wanted to order some, and that's what I did. And I think this yarn, Premier Yarn, the Rustic, was the best deal for me. And again, it is $6.99 a skein. This is Premier Rustic, and the color is cyan, C-Y-A-N, cyan. And here is the color, Premier Rustic. And the yardage and all is the same. The weight is 5. 218 yards of yarn. The bralette that I've been making requires 211. That was another reason that I selected this yarn, because it's perfect. The yardage is there because, like I said, 211 yards, and this is 218, so that's perfect. Again, 100% acrylic and 7 ounces, so this will make one bralette easily. Okay. The next color that I have is deep red. Deep red. That'll make a nice bralette. Okay. And I'm sure I'll probably squeeze an ear warmer out of one of these bulky ear warmers. Okay, this color, all of these are from Premier Rustic. Premier Rustic. And let's see what color this is. This is Dark Cloud. Very nice. Some yarn is softer than the other one. This is pretty soft. This one was kind of on the harsh side. Not as soft and squishy as this one here. But we'll work it out. We will do that. And this is also the same, bulky 5. And the Rustic, 218 yards, 100% acrylic. And the color is Acorn, A-C-O-R-N, Acorn. This is nice. Feels really nice. Now this one here, I kind of made a boo-boo. I thought this was bulky 5, but it's not. This is Just Yarn, And this is a weight of, let me take it out of this bag. Here we go. This is a weight of 4. This is not the bulky 5. It's a weight of 4. And it is the Premier Just Yarn. And the crochet hook that's required is an I hook, I9, US I9, 5.5 millimeter. Actually, yeah, that's what that is. And this is 175 yards, 14 ounces, 100% acrylic. So I could probably get several things out of this. A bralette, a hat, several things. 875 yards. This was also $6.99. And this color is linen. This is linen. Okay. So that's my little yarn haul. I don't order a lot, but I think I'm going to start ordering my yarn from online. My Hobby Lobbies that's close to me that I've talked to you about before. They've gone down from, they started out with 4 aisles of yarn. Now they're down to 3. The selection is not that huge. I still shop there. I still go and you know, buy yarn, but the selection is really not that great. So I will be ordering more yarn online, but this is my first. I wanted to test just to get a feel of the yarn. I'm going to crochet, like I said, a bralette, possibly a hat or ear warmers, just to see how I like it. And if so, I'll be ordering more from Premier Yarns. Okay, so if you have any questions about my order, and I'll be more than happy to answer those. So until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.